The video is sponsored by LGOD Consult. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.
What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and if you're new, remember to subscribe and like or leave a comment. So today we're going to be talking about another interesting feature available in AutoCAD. Many a times as land surveyors, as architects, as engineers, we are faced with loads of work that require us digitizing, using polylines here and there that we later have to dimension or add those distances together in feet, be it in meters or inches. So this feature helps you process your data, and it's open source. Okay, these apps are open source, but they are used in AutoCAD. So the feature I'm talking about is the LISP, or call it in AutoCAD, it's supposed to be list processing. Though for somebody that knows a little bit of programming, it might become something else, because the usual strings of data are usually used in AI, artificial intelligence. So in AutoCAD, they can help you loads of time because they usually simplify all the work for you. So I have a sample and they are readily available. You could just Google something in your mind, then you'll find an LISP available to do that. Once you download it on your computer, then I'm going to be showing you once you have it on your computer. So I'm going to be showing you how you could apply it and use it, and it makes your work easier. So the interesting feature I'm going to be showing you today, I'm going to be using the Auto Dimension LISP. So I'm going to be using that app to help me dimension my piece of work in just a click. For example, so I have this setup. They are cadastral parcels. I digitized them already, and the only thing missing are the dimensions for the different distances, different lines, different polylines. So what we do, since I already have my app already downloaded onto the PC, there are two options to load it. You go to, I'm already running on my Civil 3D workspace, so you just go to manage and say load application. Once you click on load application, it will bring you to your system directory. So you search where you usually keep your downloads. For example, mine is here, and it's called AH Auto Dimension AutoCAD. So you say load, and once you load it, it shows you just below automatic dimension AutoCAD LSP successfully loaded. You close that, you go into the dimension toolbar, then you modify your dimension style to fit the exact design you would like to use. So I go ahead and modify mine. I'll go ahead and use the times Roman, then I'll set a height of 3. Go ahead and close this, align with dimension line, set the precision to 1 decimal place. Okay, set current and close. So every LISP has a short command that executes it into your workspace. So for example, with the one I loaded, remember I have my polyline work, but remember to always explode. So I already exploded mine, so they are individual lines. I can go ahead and redo it again. Select another bunch, select similar. Once I have that, I go ahead and explode the lines to break them into individual lines. So the command that executes my LISP that automatically dimensions all polylines is AH. So go ahead and select all your polylines in the workspace, then go ahead and say AH with mine. So where I put AH, you put the command or the short command that executes your Lisp. So AH, it automatically show that it's the one. Press enter, then press enter to continue, and every line in my workspace is automatically dimensioned. In just a click, probably this work will have taken me 3 to 5, 6 or 7 minutes to fully dimension and make my work look beautiful. But with just a command, an Lisp, I was able to command and all the work was fully edited with dimensions and their accurate dimensions. So you could go ahead and try it on your PC, download a bunch of Lisps and try them, and you see how they can make your work in your different professions faster. For land surveyors, this is very nice. So for architects, you could go ahead and find apps developed for your profession, and that will make your workloads very easy. Yeah, thank you for watching. Let's meet in our next episode. Remember to subscribe and share. Invite a friend. Let's learn this together. Thank you.